Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Paudash Lake, located in the township of Highlands East, Ontario, is a beautiful and peaceful spot in the heart of the Kawartha Highlands. The lake is surrounded by stunning forests and rolling hills, making it an ideal destination for those who enjoy nature and outdoor activities. It's a quiet and serene place that draws people looking for a relaxing getaway or an outdoor adventure. The lake itself is known for its clear waters, which are perfect for swimming, boating, and fishing. Many visitors come to enjoy a day on the water, whether it's paddling a canoe or kayaking or taking a boat out for a peaceful ride. The lake is also a popular spot for fishing, with a variety of fish species like bass, lake trout, and pike found in its waters. The area surrounding Paudash Lake is filled with lush forests and scenic views, making it a great place for hiking and exploring the outdoors. There are several nearby trails where visitors can enjoy walking or hiking through the woods and along the shoreline, especially during the warmer months when the area is full of greenery. Highlands East is known for its natural beauty and outdoor recreational activities. The area is a great place to visit for anyone looking to enjoy peaceful surroundings and escape the busyness of city life. The township also has a strong sense of community, with small, friendly towns like Paudash Lake offering a warm welcome to those who visit. For those who love the outdoors, Paudash Lake is a perfect spot to experience the best of Ontario's natural landscape. Whether it's a day spent on the water, hiking through the forests, or simply enjoying the tranquil atmosphere, it's a beautiful place to connect with nature and unwind.
you.